Welcome to Celebration and Awareness Channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, honoring the unsung heroes and showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Now, today, celebration. International Day of Happiness. Could happiness really be the key to solving the world's biggest problems? Find out why today's International Day of Happiness is all about creating positive change, one smile at a time. Please stay tuned to the end and see for yourself. Today we celebrate International Day of Happiness and honor the unsung heroes of happiness for their invaluable contributions. The theme of our celebration: the power of happiness, a force for change, unity, and nation building. On this International Day of Happiness, we celebrate the power of happiness as a fundamental human right and essential element of social progress. Happiness is not only about individual well-being, but also a key to building strong, resilient communities and thriving nations. Research shows that happier people are more productive, healthier, and engaged in their communities. They contribute to a vibrant, positive society that fosters cooperation, innovation, and long-term prosperity. As we reflect on the importance of happiness, let us remember that it is not just a fleeting feeling, but a cornerstone of societal growth, social harmony, and nation building. Together, we can cultivate a world where happiness is accessible to everyone, and where every person has the opportunity to flourish, find joy, and contribute to the collective well-being of humanity. The power of happiness. A story of transformation and hope. Sophia, a young woman, once struggled with deep feelings of isolation and sadness. She had a good job and a supportive family, but something was missing. The fast-paced demands of her career and the weight of her personal challenges had left her feeling unfulfilled, anxious, and overwhelmed. She didn't realize how much she had neglected her emotional health until a close friend recommended she seek support from a happiness coaching service. Sophia decided to give it a try, and from the first session she felt a shift. Working with a happiness coach, she learned how to identify the root causes of her unhappiness and develop strategies to manage stress, set meaningful goals, and reconnect with her passions. Through guided mindfulness, positive psychology techniques, and practical life adjustments, Sophia gradually rediscovered her sense of joy and purpose. Today, she is not only thriving in her career, but is also more present with her loved ones and fully engaged in the activities that bring her joy. Sophia's journey is a testament to the transformative power of happiness coaching, showing that by prioritizing emotional well-being, we can unlock our full potential and live more fulfilling lives. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. The importance of happiness, a key to building strong societies. Happiness is not merely an individual pursuit, but a powerful tool for building cohesive, thriving societies. When individuals are happy, they are more likely to contribute positively to their communities, promote social inclusion, and reduce the social and economic burdens of stress, mental health issues, and disengagement. Societies that prioritize happiness are marked by lower crime rates, higher levels of cooperation, and greater social capital. Happiness leads to greater productivity and creativity, which are essential drivers of innovation and national development. Moreover, happiness plays a crucial role in mitigating the effects of societal challenges such as poverty, inequality, and political instability. When individuals feel supported and valued, they are more likely to advocate for positive change, create collaborative solutions, and participate actively in community-building initiatives. The pursuit of happiness is a collective responsibility that can guide the policies and practices that lead to healthier, more prosperous nations. Investing in the happiness of individuals is, in essence, investing in the future of society. Testimonies of hope. how happiness coaching transforms lives. Let's hear from 4 individuals whose lives have been profoundly impacted by happiness coaching and support services. Testimony 1. Ahmed, a business owner, rediscovering joy. As a small business owner, I was constantly stressed, overwhelmed, and feeling burnt out. My work consumed me, and I couldn't remember the last time I truly enjoyed life. A friend recommended I work with a happiness coach, and I decided to give it a try. With their guidance, I learned how to balance work and personal life, how to manage my stress, and how to find joy in the small moments. I now feel more fulfilled, and my business is thriving in ways I never imagined. Happiness coaching gave me the tools to create a healthier mindset and life. Testimony 2. Eleanor, a teacher, reconnecting with her purpose. I had been a teacher for many years, but I began to lose my passion for the profession. The daily challenges and pressures left me drained and disengaged. After attending a happiness workshop, I was inspired to work with a coach. I learned how to reconnect with my sense of purpose, set realistic goals, and nurture my own well-being. Now, I approach teaching with renewed energy and joy. My students are thriving, and I am happier than I have ever been in my career. Testimony 3. Clara, a mother, finding balance. As a mother of 3 young children, I felt overwhelmed and disconnected from myself. I was juggling the demands of family life and work, but I had lost touch with what made me happy. Working with a happiness coach helped me to see that I needed to take time for myself and prioritize self-care. I now have the tools to manage my stress, practice gratitude, and make time for the activities that bring me joy. I am a better mother, partner, and friend because I have learned how to take care of myself first. Testimony 4. Daniel, a young professional finding inner peace. After struggling with anxiety and depression for several years, I reached out to a happiness coach. With their help, I started to shift my mindset and break free from negative thought patterns. I now practice mindfulness, focus on gratitude, and take control of my emotional health. I feel more at peace with myself and my life, and I am achieving things I once thought were impossible. The tools I've learned through happiness coaching have made a profound difference in my mental health, and I'm excited for what the future holds. To all happiness coaches and practitioners, thank you. Thank you to all the happiness coaches, therapists, and practitioners who dedicate their work to helping others find joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Your support, guidance, and encouragement have helped countless individuals transform their lives, build resilience, and rediscover their passions. Your work is truly invaluable in fostering not only personal well-being, but also stronger, more cohesive communities and nations. We celebrate your efforts to create a world where happiness is not only achievable, but sustainable for all. To those considering happiness services, your journey to joy begins now. To anyone still hesitant or unsure about seeking happiness coaching or emotional well-being services, now is the time to take the first step. Happiness is within your reach, and professional support can make all the difference in unlocking your full potential. Whether you are dealing with stress, seeking greater fulfillment in your career, or simply looking to live a more joyful life, there are tools and strategies available to help you on your journey. Don't wait for happiness to find you. Take proactive steps to create the life you deserve. The path to a happier, more fulfilling life begins with a single choice, and it's never too late to start. Happy International Day of Happiness. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of happiness. Happiness coaches, therapists, and practitioners. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Love and blessings, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom. Now, upcoming events. Coming next, today, 12th May, International Day of Happiness. Part 1. Tomorrow, 21st of May, World Poetry Day. International Day of Forest. International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 22nd May, World Water Day. Please check notification each day for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.